Hacks.
Hello guys, it's the Morons Hacks, and today in this wet, snowy weather we are gonna take Škoda directly from the dealership to drive it, to POV drive it, to review it, so that you can watch what it's like to drive the Škoda. I'll show you what is exactly the Škoda I'll take, and I'll only tell you now it's a city small car. And let's go and take this Škoda now. And guys, here it is, the official Škoda dealership. We're gonna take my Škoda from here and drive it in the city, on the highway, on Škoda parking. BMW first series, huh? Cool. Even Škoda employee know that BMWs are great. I'm waiting for the car to come, and I'll show you what the car I have ordered for today. So guys, I'm excited. I'm already in the car, and this is the car, you know. I'll show you in a while. And it is Škoda, and it has some gouges here, and it has some turbo petrol engine, and you have to wait for a little 1 second and you will see it outside. What? MPE? Shit, I thought it was TSI. Shit. What's up guys? Here is the car, Škoda Fabia 3 2017 model, in this brown color, which I like actually. Okay, this is the key. Let's go and POV drive it. Actually this is MPE engine 1.0. it's a weak engine, 60 horsepower, 160 kilometers top speed, and 15.7 to 100 kilometer. Nice dashboard, good materials, but let's go drive it. It should have been 1.0 TSI. They gave it to me like TSI, but it turned out to be MPI. When I hit the gas, I understand that this is not a TSI. However, we'll try this one through. Let's go. Let's turn the ESC off, ASR off. Okay, I'll leave this for you. Always put your seatbelt, guys. It has auto start up stop. Nice wheel, sporty, not like the car. Locking the doors, and let's go. Little engine, really trying hard. Good traction, but no speed also, so it sounds like a vacuum cleaner on the higher RPM. All temperature we see here, current fuel consumption average. This car is meant to be 4.7 and around 6 in the city. That will never happen with that small engine and my driving. Small engines without turbo, full shit, guys. It is full throttle all the time. Full throttle. I need to do here left turn, full throttle. Always full throttle, because you always need all the horsepower available to make this thing move. And it's really wide, 1 ton, 50 kilos. It's pretty basic. Control of the radio, of the sound here, changing the stations, wine assist, average speed, current speed. But I like this temperature of the oil. Why you need the temperature of the oil in a 1.0 3-cylinder MP engine? It's ridiculous. But however, this is a very cheap car, around 20,000, or sorry, around 10,000 euro. You can buy this car. Kick down the pedal, it takes forever to accelerate actually, and you think there is some turbo lag, but actually turbo never comes, and that's the bad thing. Put some more money, but buy the TSI, guys. It will be much more fun when turbo kicks in at 3000 RPM until 5 maybe. It will make the car much different to drive. You can see now 3000 RPM, full throttle. It's like an old Mercedes. It's a new car. How can it be so fucking slow? I am making artificial aggression because 60 horsepower cannot give you such, so I'm making it look like more powerful car by doing hard downshift like this. If you never do like this on the first gear and change gear on the second, third, fourth, on 2000 RPM, you actually will be enough with that engine. Just riding and that's it, no any dynamic. But you have hard time accelerating and overtaking extra urban. Because the gas pedal looks like it's not connected to the engine at all. You just push it and somehow the car manages to go little by little, but not connected with your reactions at all. No any throttle response. Well, that sound is not from that car. This car has an interesting sound, but no aggression. No turbo, no aggression. A ref limiter at 6000. It takes so much effort for that engine to keep up even with the traffic. And 80 is its actually maximum dynamic speed. After that is just dead meat. 11 with my ride, and I'm not even speeding all the time. Okay, let's see the momentum. At least it can be maybe fuel efficient, but let's see. Let me see like this. We have cruise control, so driving in a city with low speed, it can give you 3-4 liter, but that's on 5th gear and went downhill, otherwise accelerating much more. It has a normal handbrake, that's cool, at least you can have some fun on the snow. Okay, we'll try on 5th gear with the 70 kilometers, and it says please bring me 4 back, bring me 4, because this is full throttle, guys. On the uphill you can see, and we are now consuming, where is the fuel consumption? We are consuming 10 liters with full throttle on the 5th gear, and it says please put 4th, please put 4th. Okay, 4th gear, oh please put 3rd. I don't have power, please. Third gear, full throttle, guys, on this uphill. Full throttle. I haven't driven so slow car in my life, actually. Like I'm driving some 30 horsepower car. That's the absolute minimum for a car to run. And I'm really curious to see how this reach 160. It will take forever, maybe. How this car so slow is legal, guys. Otherwise, in our next video you can see some curvy road driving, and we'll test there. Okay, the engine is underpowered, very slow, but we'll test how is the chassis agility, how is in the corners, and the steering looks really nice. It's really direct, like on every small car. And being a new car, it's really nice, stiffy, no any noises. Oh, there is a body roll, of course, but the wheels are small and there is winter tires on them. So if you put bigger wheels and you get the sport suspension, it actually will be nice handling car. But you can feel like you are in a race, while the others just cruise on the 4th and 5th gear. But I'm in a race in these corners. Well, every car, you can have fun with every car, however, no matter its power, although if new it's better. But I will never buy such car. I'd better drive car for 500 euro, which breaks on every corner, than buying this slow car. Okay guys, thank you very much for being with us in this video. Watch our other videos driving. If you like this car and Fabia and you're considering buying but you have no budget, you can watch our other driving videos of that car so that you can feel the whole car. It's really a good inside, of course cheap materials but well made. Nothing is making any strange noises. It's good fixed, so really a nice good place to be. The seats are also comfortable. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like this car you can buy it, but my advice is to take bigger engine, at least turbo engine, and you have a lot more fun with it. You can also remap it and you have a really decent performance with a nice handling, with the support suspension and bigger wheels. And the rise is pretty normal for that size of the car. It's stiff, it's not something very comfortable, but this is a low level entry car and it's supposed to give you only the basic needs which you need, and it actually does. It rides with 60 kilometers, and what else do you need in the city? Extra urban 100 and you don't overtake. That's the idea here. And guys, now I'm going to have some curvy road driving you can watch in our next video. Thanks guys for being here. Subscribe and put the alerts on for the next cars we review. Thank you for your support guys. Stay healthy and enjoy driving guys.